Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add microphone in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Now, before we move forward, here's an important note you need to keep in mind. Make sure your microphone is already connected to your PC before proceeding. This ensures that OBS will be able to detect it properly when we go through the settings. Once OBS is open, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled File. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will open the Settings window where we can configure your audio inputs and outputs. In the Settings window, look at the left panel where you'll see various categories. Click on Audio to access the audio configuration options. This section allows you to manage all your audio devices, including microphones, desktop audio, and other sound sources that you want to use in your streams or recordings. Now navigate to the option labeled Mic/Auxiliary Audio. Right beside this option, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to see all the available microphone devices connected to your computer. From the list that appears, select your preferred microphone. This tells OBS which microphone to use for capturing your voice during recordings or live streams. After selecting your microphone, click the Apply button at the bottom of the settings window to save your changes. Then click OK to close the settings window and return to the main OBS interface. Your microphone is now configured and ready to use. Finally, navigate to the Audio Mixer section, which is typically located at the bottom of the OBS interface. Here you'll see your newly added microphone listed along with other audio sources. You can adjust the volume slider for your microphone to increase or decrease the input level based on your preferences. This allows you to fine-tune how loud or quiet your voice will be in your recordings or streams. And that's it. You've successfully added and configured your microphone in OBS, giving you full control over your audio setup. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.